Ellen, I need you to clean the house today.
Of course, love. What would you like me to do first?
Can you please start by removing all the dirt from the shelves, desks and cupboards?
Do you mean dusting?
Oh, that's it, dusting. Dusting all the surfaces.
Surfaces? Oh, right, you mean surfaces, right.
Surfaces, that's it.
All right, I'll do that first, no problem.
Can you also please do all the cleaning of the carpets with the machine, you know, what's it called, vacuum?
Vacuum is American, love. Do you mean hoovering?
Hoovering the carpet. Thank you.
Right, love, what else?
Could you also clean the bathroom, you know, you need to brush all the sanitary.
Sanitary? Do you mean scrub the bathroom fixtures?
Scrub the bathroom fixtures. Right.
Yes, I'll take care of that.
Finally, can you please empty the rubbish bins? I know how to say that. But change the plastic bag inside.
The liners. Replace the liners.
Yes, right. Please replace the liners. Thank you.
Oi, I think I should charge you more for the English lessons, eh?